we look at electrolysis, specifically mass of elements. Let's look at the question. Determine the mass of copper deposited by 4 moles of electrons in the reaction represented by the equation below. This is the reaction. Copper plus 2 electrons. This is we having copper that this has been deposited. The balance with 2 electrons. So we have our copper solid here. These are the options. Solution. We start solving with this equation. We say with this equation 2 moles of electrons deposited, that is this equal 1 mole of copper. Yeah, 1 mole of copper. Now let's look at the question. Determine the mass of copper deposited by 4 moles of electrons. So moles under moles is 2 moles now. 4 moles of electrons. This according to the question here, 4 moles of electrons. Moles of electrons equal X mole of copper here. So you can also say 4 moles of electrons deposited here. So we give us what? Mathematically, cross multiply. When we cross multiply, we have 2 times x. We have 2x equal 4 times 1. We have 4 here. 4. To get our x, we divide by the coefficient of s, which is 2. 2 cancel 2. So x equals to 2 moles of copper. That is here. Now watch, there's a magic formula. The magic formula works all the time. It's a constant and is amount in mole. M equals to mass all over molar mass. That's the magic formula. The question says determine the mass of copper. Now to get the mass of copper, this is mass here. M, which is mass, equals to N, number of moles times molar mass. Now our number of moles there is 2 times the molar mass of copper is constant, which is 64. It's not given in the question, but we are expected to know some molar mass of elements. So 2 times 64 will give us 128 grams. That is 128 grams. This is 2. That's the mass of copper deposited by 4.0 mole of electron in the reaction and according to the question. So our answer is option C. Thank you for those of you that have been subscribing, viewing, commenting and liking our channel. Please share with your friends, your neighbor, colleagues, everyone, with your children, even those who are in GSS, to increase their interest of studying science. God bless you. See you in the next class.